In the sparkling kingdom of Silver Moon, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Luna. With her golden hair, shining crown, and beautiful pink gown, she brought smiles to everyone she met. By her side stood her loyal unicorn, Starlight. Deep inside the royal castle floated the crystal heart, a magical gem that filled the kingdom with light, happiness, and peace. As long as the crystal heart shone brightly, Silver Moon Kingdom remained joyful and safe. One evening, the crystal heart began to lose its glow. The castle grew dim, flowers closed their petals, and the stars disappeared from the sky. Princess Luna knew something was terribly wrong. The wise royal wizard spoke softly. "Only a heart filled with true kindness can restore the crystal heart." Princess Luna stepped forward bravely and said, "I will save our kingdom." Starlight bowed beside Princess Luna, ready for the journey. Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Twinkle appeared in a shower of golden sparkles. "I will guide you," she said with a cheerful smile. At last, the three friends reached the dazzling crystal cave. In the center stood the crystal heart, almost dark. Princess Luna touched the crystal, but nothing happened. Luna closed her eyes and remembered the baby bird, the rabbits, and everyone she loved. Warm, golden light flowed from her heart into the crystal heart. Suddenly, the crystal blazed with brilliant light. The magic returned to Silver Moon Kingdom. Flowers bloomed, stars sparkled, and happiness filled every home. Princess Luna, Starlight, and Twinkle smiled with joy.